Welcome to Outdoor with Josh. Today I'm going to show you how to prep a hybrid, and we're going to cook it over a campfire. I'm going to show you what you need to do to make these suckers taste good, because to me they're not the best eating fish. They're kind of strong and tough. So I'm going to show you a way you can eat these suckers and really enjoy them. So watch this. Alright, here I'm going to show you how to see these hybrids right here. They got a lot of this red meat. You got to get all that out, or you are not going to like it one bit, trust me. Trim that red meat. So what we're going to do here, you can do it in, I'd like to do it kind of strips here. Kind of get under that. Be sure to get all this red meat out, because if you don't, it's not going to be good. Try to get as much of that as you can out of there. Save that for the dogs. That's how you really get all that. Some, I kind of went a little whack with that, but anyways, get all that red meat out, because it's going to be a strong fish taste if you don't. So try to get up under that. You kind of see where the line is on these. Just get up good up under there. Just go right on down through there. Just like that. Get all the nasty stuff out of there. Because I'm a fish lover, and I don't like it. If you don't get it out, you're not going to have a good day. See, on this guy right here, what I'll just do on this piece right here, I'm going to slice that out. So what we're going to do here, I'll show you. That's a pretty good chunk of red meat right there. Basically this is about all red meat right here. I'm just going to set that guy to the side, and voila, there you go. Now the next step we are going to do on this, I'm just going to go right down here. I'm going to make strips. I'm going to do strips here. And you don't have to cut them this fine, I don't believe. This is what I do. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to chunk them up. Just like that. I'm going to chunk all this up. Every one of them I do, I'm going to chunk up. I'm going to show you why. Just like that. You want to go too small if you don't want to. I'd go thinner if you want. Because what we're going to do, we're going to hard boil this. When you hard boil, it's going to get mushy and flake out and everything. I'm going to show you something. See, just like that. We got my chunks right here. And we're just going to do the same thing on this guy right here. Got a little more red meat right here. A little bit of that out of there. Might do a little bit thinner strip on him. There we go. Something kind of like that. Maybe go a little bit thinner. What we're going to do, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So they don't have, you don't have to go crazy insane big on them. Just kind of keep it minimal, about like that. Silver meat right there. Get that out of the way for the dogs. Just like that, guys. Nothing overly crazy hard or insane. Just like that. And we're going to do this over a campfire, so it's going to be even better. Trust me. Everything over a campfire is 10 times better. Can't beat it. Just like that, guys. Like I said, nothing too hard here. And it's a good dinner, cheap dinner. Just gotta go catch a fish. Sometimes I can't even do that. Alright, I'll take you all to the next step here in just a minute. Alright, now we got our fish all chunked up and trimmed and everything. Now we're going to take our lemon juice right here and give them a good squeeze. Get that all mixed in there good. You got the cut that's gonna burn. That's alright. You're fixing to have a belly full of fish. And I'm gonna take a little salt, get in there. All good. Yeah, get it salted pretty good there. I like my, get a little salt in there. Alright. Now here comes the next step. We're fixing to boil these suckers now. Alright, now we're going to boil this over a campfire. I'm just now getting my fire good and started here. So we're going to get the sucker start boiling, and when it hard boils for 5 minutes and starts flaking, then that's when it's done. You want it to flake out and really boil good to make sure the fish is done. Then we'll move on to the next process. So I'm going to sit here and get this sucker boiled so we can have us some dinner now. Please stay tuned, it's going to get juicy. Alright, get down here and get this good a little stirred. Starting to get a good fire now. Ooh-wee! Be good eating tonight. I'm going to sleep good in a full stomach. Yeah. Getting there. Remember, when it starts really flaking out, see, it ain't flaking out yet. But when it really flakes out after a good hard boil, that's when it's good to go. So make sure you get this fish cooked real good. Getting that flame hot now. Woo! Hot tamale. Kind of give it a little stir. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Alright, we're starting to get there now. We're fixing to start boiling. Look, some of this fish are already floating up. Fish are done. They swim back up to the top. I don't know why, but they sure do. Ooh-wee, we're getting somewhere. Got that flame hot. Got fish good and hot. I'm on a hot flame. So good. Starting to hard boil now. Oh yeah. There we go. What I want to see. Let's take this sucker off fire and strain it out, and we'll be ready for the last step. See, Cat, you're gonna get burned. Woo, it's swimming good now. Come on, get to the top. Boil good here. Boil the far out of it. Oh yeah. Make sure it boils real good. Let's see, we're gonna check it. I don't think it's gonna go to the top. Let's check it. Oh yeah, see how it's all flaked out? Let's see. Get it up to the camera here. Alright, see. See how that all just flakes out? Yeah, that's good right there. And that's what we want to see. Alright, I'm gonna get this strained out and we'll go on the next step. Alright, now we're going to mix up our Jiffy Mix. That in there. And our milk. Our Jiffy Mix. Just simple Jiffy Mix, just cornbread mix. I'll show you all the box. Plain old Jiffy Mix. Okay, we got that going. Mix that in there real good. Like we're making cornbread here, which is always good. I don't care who you are. Alright, now we got that done. Now we're going to put our fish in there. Make sure to get all the fish in there. Now we're gonna mix that all in there with that fish real good. Real good. Get it in there good. Alright. Now we're ready for our final step, and that's get these suckers completely done and eat. Let's do it. Alright, here's the last process, guys. We got our grease hot. Ooh, I think I got my arm hairs burnt. I did. Ha! It's alright. What are them for anyways? Alright, give you a close-up view of these. Well, ain't them pretty? Now we're going to let them get good and brown on each side. Stuck up on me there. It's alright. Get my grease a little level out here. There we go. I'm gonna get these good and hot. Boy, my mouth's watering looking at these. These look so good. I got my stuff real level out here. Let me get that level down. Oh man, them are looking good. Woo, doggies. Just look at this. Look at all that. Man, you can't get no better than that. Can't beat that. Man. Oh. My sucker right here, he's done. Woo, it's hot. He's done. Boy, them look sharp. Alright, let's taste one of these guys. Cocktail sauce on there. Oh my god. Can't beat that. I'm gonna be so overly full tonight. That was good. I'll tell y'all now, don't have to be hybrids to do this. You do any fish you want like this. Boy, that's good. I ain't gonna even cook all of them, I'll be full. Man. I'm gonna get another piece of that. you guys for joining me. Please stay tuned for more Outdoors Josh. We're going to do plenty more of this. I got cocktail sauce dripping on me. We're going to do more of this, and plus I'll do one where I'll show you how I play the hybrids and trim them for this. And I'll show you every prep detail you need to know. Be happy to leave comments and ask questions. Feel free to. Thank y'all for joining me, and may Christ bless y'all.